Hello friends, happy Monday. Let me just check I am online. And like magic, like every Monday, the dogs start barking. Love that for me. Thank you, Garth. Yep, he just wants to be involved. Okay, give me a sec, guys. I always take a couple minutes just to make sure I'm actually on live and with you. If you are joining me, say hello, hello. Just so that I know who is with me. Right, so, fun fact, I was drawing croquis classes the other day for the membership. I drew menswear, womenswear and infant templates. And my womenswear template, even though womenswear is basically what I'm formally trained in, what I draw day in, day out for clients, I just draw croquis all the time. My women's wear one turned out pretty naff. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to draw a few women's wear croquis, but I'm not going to talk through it step by step. What I want to do actually is a little FAQ run through about the 3-day design challenge, which is happening a week tomorrow. And then if these croquis turn out well, I'm going to dub over it for the membership. I'm just telling you my dirty little secrets here on how I film content and save time. But so I just thought it would be quite a nice chilled one if you wanted to sketch with me. It's going to be very interesting because I am the queen of not being able to multitask. But any questions you have, guys, about the 3-day design challenge, pop them in the comments, and I'll hopefully be able to do a little bit of a Q&A as we walk through it. And then hopefully you can sign up and join me for the challenge that's going to happen next week. It's going to be the first of a monthly challenge. So it's going to be the first kicking off next week. And then from then on, we're going to run this every single month. Now, the biggest question I've had regarding the 3-day design challenge is, do you need to have any experience? And the answer is no. It is literally created for beginners and advanced alike. It is just meant to be a really light-hearted challenge, creative experience where we kind of get to know our personal taste, our personal style. We answer a creative brief together. I need to count to 9. Give me a second. Fab. So it is just meant to be a kind of really light-hearted, fun experience over the pace of 3 days. And obviously this isn't 24 hours at a time. I'm going to be hosting a live workshop every single day, Tuesday to Thursday at 7. I'll be in the fashion studio, here in the fashion studio, hosting a live workshop. Hello, Sarah. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh my God, your sleeves are amazing. Have you added more volume to them? Have you gone away and tweaked it like you said you were going to try out? But they looked so good. I was literally so proud of you. So, yes, sorry. Again, Alex can't multitask. So the 3-day design challenge, we've got a creative brief that I'm going to set. I've got hair in my mouth. And then we're going to answer it together. So I have done my best not to design ahead of time on this one. And I am so excited to join you guys on it. And then I'll be hosting 3 creative workshops in the week. Now, Tuesdays is answering the creative brief. So you're going to be given the creative brief that is going to give you design inspiration and a starting point to design your own look. You're going to create one look. And then from there, you kind of take the reins and you go for it. But if you're getting stuck on how to answer the creative brief, then our first workshop is going through that. Some people in here may have joined the 10-day design challenge. Now, it did start off as a really big mammoth challenge. I'm also in an R-in about the word challenge. I don't know if this is putting people off, so let me know if it is, if you're thinking like you're not sure, or you feel like it's going to be a bit too advanced for you because of the name. That really isn't the case at all. So just kind of let me know on that and I can play around with it. But it's just meant to be a really light-hearted, fun experience for us all. And yeah, so I'll be setting up... Oh, guys, I don't know if this was a good idea to do this video. I just can't multitask. So first week will be a... First workshop will be answering the creative brief. Second workshop is going to be a mood board masterclass. And then the third workshop is going to be a scale and proportion design workshop. You do not need any experience at all. I'm literally going to talk you through it. You're going to kind of design, figure out your own personal taste, your personal style. And you're just meant to have a really fun time with it. You don't even have to know how to draw, as I'm obviously illustrating here that I cannot draw and talk at the same time. You don't have to know how to draw. You just have to have an interest, which all of you do who are in this group, in fashion and in exploring your kind of creative eye. And I am such a firm believer that we all have a fashion designer inside of us. So I really hope you sign up and join and take the challenge. We're going to do it every month. So if you do miss this month, it's not the end of the world. However, I am going to be offering an absolute exclusive for anybody who wants to join the membership. There's going to be a load of exclusives coming up. There's going to be a load of prizes coming up, and you don't need to be a Picasso to kind of win any of the prizes. You just need to take part and just give it your best shot. That's all I'm asking. And the prizes are going to be, get a drum roll for this, guys. We're going to have 3 free months to the membership is up for grabs. This is literally prize number 1 for one lucky winner. All you have to do is get involved, is show up, is just have a good time with me, make sure I don't feel like I'm alone. And just give it a good shot, give it a crack, sketch till your heart's content. Prize number 2 is going to be access to the Draping 101 mini course. For anybody who has actually signed up to the mini course, all I'm going to do is I'll refund you your money. So you have a chance to win back your money if you've already signed up to the Draping 101 course. Another thing is some lucky winner is going to be able to pick a digital pattern of their choice, which is inclusive of a fashion file pack. I've just got loads planned, guys. It's just going to be really, really fun. We're going to go through design techniques. We're going to find ways of sourcing inspiration and keeping inspired. Nicola, you've signed up to the challenge. Yes. You don't need any particular resources. No, I literally have it all covered for you. It is so beginner friendly. And yet if you're advanced and you've dipped your toe in design already, then it's a great way to keep inspired. It covers both. Ticks both boxes in that front. All you need is a pencil and a piece of paper to draw on to sketch ideas. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need anything specific. It literally, if you can find a napkin, if you can find like a biro that's running out but still can make a mark on a page, then you're good to go. And I'm just going to make it really as approachable and appealing as I can. Like, I just feel like a lot of people get worried thinking that design is just so beyond them, and it's not. And who better to design your clothes than you? They always say that designers, you know, starting out design for themselves, and as you go through the industry, you learn to obviously design for the customer. But nobody knows your personal style more than you do. And I just think you're really going to love it, and it's going to be like really eye-opening, inspirational, creative, and it's just going to be a really nice community kind of activity for us to do. So if you do miss the workshops, now they are scheduled for 7 p.m. I am toying around with this time. I know it might not be ideal for my wonderful mothers in the group, but the workshops will stay in the group. I would love for you to join me live, and in terms of prize giving away, it would help me if people were turning up and joining me live, but you really, really don't need to be there live. If you're busy with your family, if you've got other commitments, I'm going to be keeping the workshops up over the weekend, so you can always play catch up. Sarah, yeah, you do get an email confirmation. You'll be getting a little reminder. If you signed up months ago, check your junk folder, mark me as a white email, like safe sender, just so that I'm not popping into your junk folder so you don't miss anything. But you will get email notifications all throughout so that you don't miss a thing. And so, yeah, if you join me live, great. If you don't, that doesn't affect your kind of chances of winning prizes. But obviously, I would just love for you to join me so I'm not chatting to myself like a loner. And then I'm going to give you, it runs Tuesday to Thursday, and I'm going to give you all the way up until Monday to catch up if you fall behind. And then I'm going to announce the prize winners, which is just so exciting. I just can't wait to share this experience with you guys. And then we're going to do it all over again for the next month. We're going to come up with a new creative brief. We're going to answer to that, and we're going to kind of just keep on rolling and keep on going. It is really light-hearted, guys. Like I say, I'm toying with the word challenge. I don't want it to sound intimidating. You don't have to draw anything like this monstrosity I've just put on the page. You don't have to do croquis. You don't have to do anything too complex unless you want to. Then I'm here to support you. But what it is designed to do is to kind of ignite your creativity. I really want to offer you a bit of creative escapism during these times. It's designed to bring us together as a community. It's designed to have us support each other. If you want constructive criticism, I'm happy to give that. If you just want to be cheered on and supported in a safe environment online, that is literally what I'm here for. So I'm really, really excited. We have got the creative brief landing in your inbox on Tuesday. Now, you do have to be signed up to the challenge to receive the creative brief. If you are only in the fashion studio, you're not going to have the foggiest what we're on about, what we're designing to. So you need to receive that creative brief in your inbox. That is so important. Good morning, Emma O'Connell. Thank you for joining us. So you do need to sign up. Another thing, which I should probably say at the end of the challenge, but I am going to just put a little disclaimer here. If you want to do the next month's design challenge, so March design challenge, you will have to sign up again. Any month you want to take part in the challenge, you've got to sign up. And I'm having this in place because I don't want to spam your email inbox. You might take the first challenge and you might want a little breather for the second challenge. Therefore, I don't want to come spamming you with new creative briefs or anything like that. So every single time I set a creative brief, I will need you, if you want to sign up again, just to make sure that you're involved, that you're getting it, and that you're getting it on your terms. I don't want to be spamming your inbox. Sarah, absolutely, I can link it again. Let me just type it in here. Evidently, guys, I've stopped drawing. So, turns out I can't can't multitask, can't draw in chat. I've just kind of gotten through this quick croquis and now I'm just having a chinwag with you. But things like this, you've seen how I've just kind of jotted this down on the paper. It's really not a masterpiece, but it's all to do with proportion. And this is the kind, this is the kind of thing I'm going to be teaching in the membership, in the DPL Atelier. But in terms of dipping your toe and doing it as a complete freebie and just enjoying the creative process, no strings attached, I really encourage you to join me on the 3-day design challenge. I'm giving away prizes, I'm getting everybody involved. And for the winner who wins, there's going to be 3 winners. That was 4, my thumb poked out. There's going to be 3 winners. For the one who wins 3 free months to the membership, that essentially means you win everything, because the membership includes all online courses, all sewing patterns, all fashion file packs, exclusive workshops. It really is going to be a fantastic learning resource, creative little corner of the internet. So if you want to kind of win all of that from me, all you have to do is get involved with the 3-day design challenge. Be brave, sketch out something maybe better than this, maybe worse than this, whatever. It's a safe, creative space online to get involved. And I just really think you're going to have such a fun time. For those of you that got involved with the 10-day design challenge, you kind of have a little bit of an advantage here, guys, because you have gone even deeper into it. The 3-day design challenge is a light version of this. The 10-day design challenge, I realized, you know, I was asking a lot of you guys. It was over a long period of time. This one, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 p.m. here in the Fashion Studio. Join me for a quick, free, fun workshop every single evening. If you miss them, catch up over the weekend. But I will be deleting the challenge workshops once the challenge has finished on Monday. However, if you are part of the membership, they're all going to be available in your membership resources so that you can go back, go through old creative briefs, dip your toe, stay inspired, see what we cover. So I just really hope you're all as excited as I am, and I need to up my drawing skills. I can't draw. Exhibit A, and this probably took me, 10 years of being a professional fashion designer? No, honestly, guys, you can either print off a croquis, you can go on Google and find a croquis template, or you can simply start designing like this on your page. And I really, really am telling you, I am not judging this on, I'm not being my 3rd-year fashion tutor and kind of judging this on professionalism, on anything like that. I'm judging this on getting involved, having fun, and just being creative. I will be having a look at how you answer the brief. I mean, if you literally wanted to draw like this, to me, that's fine. To me, that is fine. Just draw quick sketches, have fun, illustrate your ideas, and just really start to loosen up. I think as artists and designers, we can be very precious with our work and what we put out there. And this is meant to break through those barriers. And if you can loosen up and start to explore your personal style, your personal taste, techniques, then you're really going to let yourself have fun with this. I don't want anyone to feel restricted, to feel judged. That's not it at all. I'm going to be looking at engagement, who's turning up and giving it a go. That is probably going to be the number one thing for me to hand out these prizes. I just want someone to, or 3 people, you know, to come in, push beyond your comfort zone, because when we wear our heart on our sleeve as creative people, it's kind of scary putting that out into the world. Every single time I submit client work, I'm like, oh God, will they like it? So it's not an easy thing I'm asking you guys to do, but it is going to be really rewarding, and it is really fun, and it is going to have an impact on your sewing projects and your wardrobes and just discovering more about your personal taste and style. Drawing skills, do not worry about it. Just don't worry about it, because we're going to go through a few workshops with that. We're going to be making mood boards, which don't even involve any drawing to an extent. And it's just the final workshop. We're going to do scale and proportion, and I'm going to teach you a really, really simple way to just maximize the creative output that you're putting there. I have just linked the design challenge in the comments. If anybody else has any questions, yet again, it's a completely free challenge. We're going to run this every single month, 3rd Tuesday of the month here in the Fashion Studio. And we're going to blast through it together and just have the best time. I'm really sorry if my lack of multitasking absolutely ruined how informative this video was. But I'll rewatch it in a second. I'll see if I'm waffling. I'll clarify any points in the comments, and I will hopefully see you a week Tuesday. Well, I'll see you before then, because, you know, I hang around you guys here in the Fashion Studio. But I am so excited. Please sign up. Please give it a go. If you feel like you can't attend every single workshop, don't worry about it. Just do what you can. Try and get involved, and I promise it is going to be a really light-hearted, fun experience. Kirsty, you're here late as per. I'm done, I'm afraid, Kirsty. I've waffled, and now my voice is going, and you're going to have to watch on replay. But I believe you're signed up for it anyway, my love. Yeah. I'm really excited, guys. I'm really, really excited. I'm taking this journey with you. I've decided to go full throttle with Digital Pattern Library, and I'm not leaving a single creative community member behind. So sign up. I actually would love to know in the comments if any of you can guess what the creative brief is going to be about. Yeah. And if you can guess, if anybody guesses correctly, I'll send them the exclusive bonus that I've made. for free, I'll DM that to you. If you can guess that correctly, I'll send it to you early. Peace out, guys. I honestly appreciate every single one of you so much. Thank you for being just such a wonderful, supportive, creative community. I can never say it enough, and hopefully this little design challenge is my way of giving back to you, and I'm just really looking forward to it. So have a wicked week, have the best start to your week, have a productive Monday, hug your loved ones, stay safe and keep creative. Peace out.